Hello viewers, now I will add backlink in this website skydot.com. So watch the full video. Click on sign up, then put your email address. In this website you can add many backlinks, so watch the full video and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Give a username, put a strong password, choose your birthday, then check this box, click on sign up. Now check this box, I am not a robot. Now click on sign up. They sent a verification email, so check your email and verify it. Click on activate your account. Wait for a second. Now your email is verified. Now click on my blog. Wait for a second. Now click on blogs. Now click on post. Click on link and add your website link, or you can add your URL. Click on post. Here you can see that backlink is added. Now I will add another backlink, so watch the full video. You can also add tags here in this backlink. So to add tags, click on add tags. My website is software company, so I am adding tags, outsourcing. You can add tags according to your website. Click on save after adding tags. Then click on I'm adding another text. Click on save. Now click on post. I'll add another backlink, then click on article, and here you can write article. This is my website description, so I just copy it and paste it here. Now copy your website URL and select the keyword, then click on the link button, insert a link and paste the URL here. Now click on add. This way you can add many backlinks in this website. You can write many articles and you can add many backlinks. You can give tags. I write virtual assistant. Click on post. Now you can see that backlink is added. This way you can add backlink in this website. You can write many articles and you can add many backlinks in this website. Here you can see that backlink is added. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I have already uploaded many videos about backlinks, so check my other videos